Good evening once again from Prisac Trading Academy. I'm at the GBPJPY 4 hour chat. This morning I think we analyzed something on this, and you know it really went well for those that trade short term. For those that trade short term, I think they'll have made serious profits from it. But for long term traders, they'll have to wait. Like they'll have edged held the trade even up to now. So for those that maybe trade for just 1 hour max, to have made profit in it. And this my morning trade can just be identified by this single candlestick that is here. This pin bar, hammer as they call it. So this particular candlestick that I have here. Okay. So that was my trade for this morning. This is 4 hour chart. So for those 4 hours, so I actually predicted a sell, and you can see it sold off, but it's came back into the zone. So now I think some either the day before yesterday, I also said on this trade that this market will enter this zone, and we can't be sure if after entering this zone it's going to fall back down seriously. Either it falls back down, or it still try to break this zone and go even higher to other points in the chart. Now I would like to go lower and show you something. Okay, look at this. Let me go to 30 minutes. Yes, at the 30 minutes chart, this pattern is something that is very, it's not really common, but it's common among traders. They know it very well. Now it's called the head shoulder pattern, as they call it, the head shoulder pattern. So as you can see, we have like, it's just like the human body. This is like the head, then the two shoulders are here. So it gets something like that. So call it like the head shoulder pattern. So now let's forget about that. Coming to the trade, where the trade is currently at. So you can see the trade entering this zone. It went there. We tested to a point. Okay, let me be highlighting that. So the trade went up. We tested to this point. It went back up again. Then it made respect to the shoulder that was here. Sorry. So it made respect to this shoulder that was here. Then it came back again, and now it's looking like it wants to go back into the zone. So this is where patience is really really necessary. We need to have patience when we are trading. So now all I just need to look for in this trade is look at if this trade should still close above. If it closes above, like it should enter this zone and closes there, then I'll see if it's a continuous trend. Then we can say maybe it wants to break above this zone. But with the current state of this chart, I think it's going to come down. This particular stuff should come down. So what I'm looking for now, two things I'm looking for is price breaking above and closing into this zone. Actually, I want to use the concept of BOS, break of structure. Now I can notice this point as a point of strong rejection. So if price should still go above and break above this red line and close there, then I can say okay, is a buy trend. So I'll just wait for retest and place my buy. But with the look of things, I'm expecting this trade should close below this red line and sell. Mind you, if it should close below the red line, it will retest back and continue selling. So either of the two can play out. Either it closes below, so maybe it comes down, then it retests and it goes down. So either that, but if it should close above, for example, maybe this is my point of strong rejection, so probably it closes above, so maybe it goes up, then there will surely be a retest and going back up. So either of the two can play out here. So all we just have to do is to watch. That is a very important thing in forex. Watching the chart is very important. Thank you. And also note, now is not a good time to enter trade. Most of the big players are out already, though sometimes it do happen that they enter trade in the evening and night, and yet they still make big profit. So all is just patience. Watching the chart is very important. Thank you.